Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer Winter in the Bleachers, Maniology Black Sticky Base, Stamp and Polish, and then I've got Beauty Big Bang XL032 to play with today. We're going to start this manicure off with Nailtiques Formula 2. And here is Bases Loaded Lacquer Winter in the Bleachers. Beautiful white acrylic, perfect for this time of year. So I'm going to go in with my first coat. You can see it's a little sheer, but nothing, nothing too bad. These acrylics are like that. Got all that yummy goodness in there, all the little flecks of blues and teals. Here we go. Hi Woody, how you doing? Getting that cleaned up. And we're going to go in for a second coat. Now, technically, I probably could have used 3 thin coats of this, but I just stopped at 2. I just decided that was good enough. We're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get this one to dry down so I can try out this new Sticky Black Stamp and Polish from Maniology. I'm keeping my free edge there. And there's a photo of Winter in the Bleachers. I've got Beauty Big Bang XL032, my Conad stamper, my Maniology's Sticky Black. And then I've got some of these chrome flakies out. I'm going to play with them. We'll see. I've got them, well, actually, I spilled them on my paper towel, so we're going to use that. And I'll be using my little Maniology scraper today. So I'm going to pick up these snowflakes in black, using that Sticky Black. Now, I'm going to be just straight up honest. I probably should have just used a chrome powder. But, I don't know. This jumped out in my brain and I decided to go with it. I expected it just to stick to the black part, but I ended up burnishing it into the entire nail. I'm not going to say I was disappointed because it still looked really pretty. It just didn't do in the places I was expecting it to. I love all those blue and purple flashes. I'm going around and cleaning up with some tape, getting all that sparklies from the flakies off of me. They're everywhere, y'all. I kind of bumped my container and that stuff is everywhere. So I decided to do this on just 2 nails. I'm cleaning that stamper off real quick on my lint roller. And I'm going to clean that plate real quick with some acetone, so that we can repeat this on my accent nail ring fingernail. I just decided I didn't want to cover up all of the polish. I was going to do it on all the nails, but when it wasn't going the way I wanted it to, I decided to just go with accent nails. And that's my way of fixing it. Got some flyaways I'm tapping down. And here we go. We're going to try to salvage some more of these that I spilt. And what's a shame is those little containers came from AliExpress and there really wasn't that much in them to begin with. So, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. And I don't have a link for the flakies. They're just the little chrome flakies off of AliExpress. They kind of came in a set, I think. It's been years ago. So there we go. We've got that done. I am going to top it with the Revolution by Picture Polish. It's for using for foils, or it can be used as a base for glittery nails that you want to peel off. And then after it's dry, I'm topping it with the Poshe top coat. I'm going to seal it all in, because that water base will just wash right off when I wash my hands. So I've got to seal that in really well with a good top coat. Keeping my free edge. So here's a picture of my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.